Club of Chennai Gemini speaker meeting and Teachers Day celebration meeting is called to order.
Thank you, Mr. President. I now request Rotaractor Rohan Karthik to start the Rotary prayer.
He is going to be the president of Rotary Club of Kilpauk Medical College, sir.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Rohan Karthik. It's an honor to be a part of this wonderful organization, sir. And I'm going to read the prayer. O God, Creator and Father of mankind, we thank Thee for inspiring our founder with the principles of Rotary based on high ideals or morality. We implore Thee to help us Rotarians meeting here to imbibe deeply the true Rotary spirit and to labor incessantly for the establishment of peace and goodwill among all people, for the elimination of all bars of color, creed, and clan, for the removal of economic and social barriers, for the proper understanding of the sanity of human personality and dignity of labor, so that all individuals, all families, and all nations may live in amity and fellowship, and unite around Thy holy feet, and hail Thee as Thou real art, our one true, eternal, and all living Father, all loving Father.
Thank
you.
Thank you so much, Rotaractor Rohan Karthik, for the divine prayer. May I check if Mr. Kodan is available now?
Mr. Kodandan, sir?
Mr. Kodandan?
Okay, I think you will join little late. I request our club service director, past president Rotarian Sujata Ramesh Babu, to read the four-way test.
Very good evening to one and all. So the four-way test of the things we think or say or do. Is it the truth? Is it fair to all concerned? Will it build goodwill and better relationships? Will it be beneficial to all concerned? If we just do this four-way test in all our activities and actions and deeds, I think we will stay true to our own selves. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sujata ma'am. That was very well explained. Thank you. And may I request the President, Dr. S. Ramesh Babu, to welcome the gathering.
Thank you, our MC for the day, Sweta Santosh. Good evening to all. Respected the guest speaker of the day, PDG, Rotarian, Ravi Shankar, our Geminians, fellow Geminians, especially all the past presidents who are all here, our Secretary Anindya Ghosh, our Treasurer, Rotarian Raghu Chakravarti, the awardees for the day, Professor S. Veerakumar,
Sir,
President, and Mrs. Jessie.
Thank you, sir.
And I think Mrs. Anila Madam will be joining shortly, and the President of Innerwheel and all the members of the Innerwheel Club of Chennai Gemini, our Rotaractors. We are very, very glad that the young Rotaractors are with us. They are going to bring a lot of energy and positive vibration to us. We welcome every one of you for this wonderful speaker meeting. And at this juncture, I should thank Dr. Yael Arasan, who is the person who is behind bringing our speaker of the day, PDG, Rotarian, N.R. Ravi Shankar. I think we are very thankful, and he is going to talk to us on a different topic. I think it is not something related to Rotary. It is going to be something different and very interesting. I'm sure all of us will enjoy this. And I welcome every one of you on this wonderful occasion. And I'm sure all of you will have a great time. I welcome one and all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Mr. President. And now we have our Secretary, Mr. Anindya Ghosh, Rotarian Anindya Ghosh, who would share the Secretary report to us. Over to you, Secretary, sir.
Anindya?
Mr. Anindya Ghosh?
I think Anindya Ghosh may join little late. Meanwhile, our
Shall we go
club
ahead
service
with the
director-
treasurer's report?
No. Before that, our club service director will read it.
Okay.
Thank you so much once again. So like for the past 2 months, we stepped into the third month. We've been doing wonderful activities in the district and in our club and through the community as well. After last month's report from 31st, I would like to read out the activities that we've been doing. And Stop NCD awareness project we did on for the entire month last month. It is an ongoing project happening daily at Spot Hospital, Kodambakam, Medcross Hospital, Puldivakam, and at Sharath Hospital, Red Hills, Chennai. And Wellness and Magilchi Series 8 on Sunday. We did it on 30th of August. And then fruit basket was given to Rotarian A. Bhairavan Babu on the occasion of his birthday on 1st September 2020. Annadanam at New Life Charitable Trust by our birthday celebrating Rotarian Bhairavan Babu. He did it in New Life Charitable Trust on 1st September. And again on 3rd September, fruit basket was given to Rotarian PP Srinivasrao on his birthday. And Unave Maranda Series 2, Healthy Food for Healthy Heart by our culinary expert, Mrs. Mallika Badrinath did it, and our club also participated in that. And every week we've been doing Wellness and Magilchi series, and series 9 was conducted on 6th September to, like Mr. Sendil did it, physiotherapist, how to be free from neck pain, shoulder pain, back pain, knee pain, etc. Then we had Enrich, an online workshop for teachers and BH students by our peace and peace making and prevention of conflict chair, our own Maitli Muralidharan. She conducted this event for the district to improve communication skills, especially in speaking English for the teachers and BH students. And again, non-violent communication program by District Peace Building Team. Again, Mrs. Maitli Muralidharan, and we've joined in that. And today is another special day for us, where we have a beautiful speaker. Ravi Shankar sir has come here to talk about nano droplet from Siva Puranam, which is very, very intriguing. And 3 beautiful people who have served our community. We are going to award them on this Teachers Day. So thank you so much. Yeah, over to you, Shweta.
That's been a very, very busy and active month for us. Thank you so much, ma'am. May I now request Rotarian VV Raghu Chakravarti sir to deliver the Treasury's report. Raghu sir?
Good evening, Geminians. President, okay. Well, we have issued all the kits, Rotary, to our Green Rotarians. And we have opened as a trust account and one is a club account. The 2 accounts are going on. And for Orange project, we are concentrating now. Okay, doctor? Yes, we're going on. And today we received from VJ Scan Center from Saligramam 20,000 rupees today. Totally we have a good amount. And first we have around about 2 lakhs is going on. We are just looking into forward of extra amounts also. We look forward to by this week or next month, within this month. Okay, doctor. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, doctor.
Thank you, Raghu sir. Thank you so much. I would now like to hand over the stage to Dr. Ezharasan to introduce the speaker of the day to us, Mr. Rotarian Ravi Shankar, to the gathering.
Thank you. Thank you, Shweta. Thank you, Ramesh Babu, for this wonderful opportunity to introduce one of an excellent speakers that I have ever known, who is very deep in his subject knowledge, whether it is religious subject or whether it is mathematics or physics. I have I have come across very few people like Ravi Shankar who comes out with excellent in-depth insights of things that he speaks. And let me take the pleasure of introducing Governor, RI District 3200, Rotarian N.R. Ravi Shankar. Mr. Ravi Shankar was born in Kanchipuram and lived most of his life in Coimbatore, and then recently about 2006 he came to Chennai. He's a BTech from IIT Madras, and then he went on to do MTech in Science Bangalore. Both are premier institutions. And he joined his family business, worked in the fields of energy efficiency and green energy, and has been a member of Rotary Club of Coimbatore since 1979. Many of you may not have been born, some of the youngsters. And president, he was PDG 1987, he was the president, PDG 93-94, assisted several club activities in India and neighboring countries, and has done lots of projects in various avenues such as primary education, clean sanitation, safe water, AIDS awareness campaign through close to about 300 different grants from TRF. Was in Coimbatore till 2006 and then moved to Chennai. Now very active in the field of education. He loves teaching, and it's wonderful that he comes to speak on the day that Rotary is celebrating the speakers, the teachers. He teaches mathematics to higher secondary, senior students, as well as the university level students across the globe, very specifically US and China. And he is married to Annette Vijayalakshmi, who served as district chairman of Innerville and has two children. Arvind again is a MBA from University of Berkeley, and he is one of the big strategists for the California state. And he's a big personality. His name is just given like this, but he's a very big personality. And Purnima is again in green energy, and she does a lot of work on identifying green products and environment-friendly products. So it's a very, very nice thing to introduce such a well-rounded personality. Ravi Shankar, over to you. He will be speaking on nano droplets from Sivapuranam. Over to you, Rotarian Ravi Shankar sir, PDG. Hello?
Unmute பண்ணிக்கங்க சார்.
Yes.
So, well, thank you, Dr. Eril, for the nice words about me. In fact, I hope I do live up to little of possibly what you had mentioned. At the same time, thank you so much for your nice words. விநாயகப் பெருமானை வணங்கி இந்த உரையை ஆரம்பிக்கிறேன். President Ramesh Babu, Dr. Anita Ghosh, Dr. Eril, other Rotarian doctors from this Gemini Club, protractors, recipients of the Service Above Self Award, the teachers, a teaching community who have been come today, and guests. Maybe few of my family members have also joined. I would like to thank this club for giving me this very unique opportunity to speak on a subject which has been to my heart for decades. I'm not new to Rotary. I'm very comfortable in a Rotary audience. In fact, during my active Rotary days, two subjects were of very close to me in Rotary. It were environment and the Rotary Foundation. But of course, these days I'm a little passive, but I have never spoken on Tiruvasram or Sivapuranam in any public platform till today. I would say Dr. Eril has been my inspiration to come out. So thank you, Doctor, for your motivation for me to take on. In fact, I would like to submit, this is my maiden speech on the subject. So there is every possibility that I might err on several occasions, not only once. My only request to all of you, please bear with me if I err on the wrong side. Maybe I am willing to correct myself. Rather, I'm going to use this platform to validate some of our thoughts on Sivapuranam. So with this, let me get into the subject. Today's my text address, I'm planning to bring it into 5 small segments. Each one is independent. So if I overshoot the time, Dr. President, you are welcome to caution me. I can stop. Sometimes when I go into it, I may lose myself. So do not mistake me that I'm overshooting time. You are welcome to caution me. Okay.
I will warn you about 5 minutes before, sir.
Huh?
I will say 5 minutes before.
Okay, thank you. So these 5 small areas I'm breaking down the address. First, I'm planning to give a very short introduction to Tiruvasagam and Sivapuranam. I hope all of you are able to hear me clearly. Good, thank you. After a small introduction, I will take on some new directions, like planning to talk to you about various dimensions of Lord Shiva, purely from the aspect of mathematics and geometry. In fact, it's not very difficult. Actually, Dr. Eril has told me, you must talk about physics and maths. Well, I love those subjects, so I said I will jump at it. So we look at the dimensions of the Lord from geometry. Okay, maybe sometimes I may be crazy, forgive me. Then I'm going to talk to you about various colors of Lord Shiva from the aspect of physics. Okay, and then I touch upon some luminosity of illumination or illuminance of Lord Shiva. What kind of a light is he? We will discuss is from the angle of energy. And finally, should I have time, the 5th one, we will just look at very deeply what is not the truth that Rotary talks about. எது உண்மை எது பொய் இதே மாணிக்கவாசகரே நமக்கு சொல்லுகிறார், அதையும் சற்று சிந்திப்போம். So these are the 5 areas I may discuss today. So let's begin our journey into Sivapuranam. I'm sure you are bound to enjoy some aspects of it, the beauty of the Lord, and taste definitely at least few droplets of honey. So sweet they shall be. And from the ocean of, as what Manikavasaka says, Tithikum Tene, எப்போ பார்த்தாலும் எல்லா இடத்துலயும் சிவபுராணம் மாணிக்க திருவாசகத்துல இறைவனை தேன் தேன் என்றே கூறுகிறார். அதான் திருவாசகம் என்னும் தேன் என்று அவருக்கு பெயர். So let's see the honey. Okay, sir. Now let me get into the introduction of Tiruvasagam and Sivapuranam. Sir, the art of communication a good communicator, an author, whatever he likes to say in so much of volumes of the songs, he must be able to communicate right in the beginning. And Manik was here, knew that art. I'm sure you all must be knowing about a story of him, like our மதுரையில் இருந்தவர் ஒரு நாள் குதிரை வாங்குவதற்காக கீழ்கரை போகிறார். வழியிலே திருப்பரந்துறையில் சிவபெருமான் அவர் அந்தனராக வந்து குருவாக வந்து அவருக்கு உபதேசம் அளிக்கிறார். அப்ப அங்கேயே தங்கிவிட்டு திருவாசகத்தை பாட ஆரம்பிக்கிறார். அப்பொழுதுதான் அவர் அருள் ஞானம் பெறுகிறார். அப்புறம் he never looks back as a minister of the kingdom, and he goes on praising the Lord, the beauty of the Lord, the joy and the enjoyment that he got from him. In fact, many people may say that the Lord is something that you can only experience yourself and cannot communicate. Is for one to experience it. But Manik Sir had the art of also telling what that enjoyment and the joy is for us also to enjoy it together with him. So he gives the entire essence of Tiruvasagam right in the first song. The first song he sings that Tiruperundurai is Sivapuranam. 95 அடிகள் இருக்கின்றன. அதில் சிவனுடைய அத்தனை சாரத்தையும் அந்த 95 வரிகளில் அடக்குகிறார். அதுலயும் என்ன பியூட்டி என்றால் முதல் வரியிலே முடித்து விட்டுகிறார். திருவாசகத்தை முதல் வரியிலேயே தான் சொல்ல வேண்டிய அத்தனையும் சொல்லுகிறார். அதுதான் இதனுடைய தனி சிறப்பு. அது என்ன அந்த முதல் அடி என்றால், it takes off the சிவபுராணம் this way. நமக் சிவாய வாழ்க, நாதன் தாழ் வாழ்க. That's it. There ends the story. And the rest of all is all only adjectives, adverbs, the beautifying, glorifying, or fine-tuning the matter. The first matter is how to read Lord Shiva. He gives the two roots. The two roots are say Namak Shivaya, first word in the Sivapuranam. அதை சொல்லிக்கொண்டே இருந்தால் போதும். இந்த 5 எழுத்து மந்திரம் தான் the மூல secret of reaching the God. அதை முதல் வார்த்தையாக திருவாசகத்தில் வைக்கிறார். How great is that Panchakshara மந்திரம். Subsequently, the next line itself is a நாதன் தாழ் வாழ்க. He says the secret of the Lord is there in his feet. திருவடியில் தான் நம்முடைய சிவபெருமானோட அருள் இருக்கின்றதா. So he says catch hold of his திருவடிகள். நீங்க சிவபுராணத்தில் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா everywhere he says ஈசன் அடி போற்றி, என் தந்தை அடி போற்றி, தேசன் அடி போற்றி, அடி அடி என்று சொல்லுகிறார். தீரா பெருந்துரைதன் தேவன் அடி போற்றி, கரங்குவியார் உண்மையிலும் கோன் கழல்கள் போற்றி. Again he talks only about the மெய்யே உன் பொன் அடிகள் என்றுதான் கூறுகிறார். So there also he talks about the greatness of and he knew the secret because in Tiruparandurai, when he got the enlightenment from Lord Shiva, அவர் வந்து உபதேசம் செய்ய வரும் பொழுது மாணிக்கவாசகர் சொல்லுகிறார், சற்று பொருங்கள், உங்களது திருவடிகளை என் சிரத்தில் வைத்து எனக்கு உபதேசம் செய்யுங்கள். So he knew where the secret is, and that he gives right in the first line. What else do we need, my dear friends, to attain the God? So the takeaway from Sivapuranam or Tiruvasagam is keep chanting the Namak Shivaya Mandaram. Nothing else you need to do, and catch hold of his feet. In fact, அவர் இன்னும் ஒரு இடத்துல ரொம்ப அழகா சொல்றாரு, அது நம்முடைய திருவடிகளை எப்படி பிடிச்சுக்கணுமாமா, சிக்கன பிடித்தேன் எம்பெருமானே. அதாவது கப்புன்னு அவருடைய திருவடிகளை பிடிச்சுக்கணுமா, விடக்கூடாதான். நான் உன்னை தொடர்ந்து சிக்கன பிடித்தேன் என்று பிடித்த பத்து பதியத்தில் பாடுகிறார். So let's take away the essence from Sivapuranam and then move further. Okay, sir. So this far about the introduction. In fact, I can also give various side example from other Saiva Guru, what they talk about the subject. But I think paucity of time, I am moving on to the next subject. Then now I'm going to go into Sivapuranam. I'm planning to take here and there few phrases and go into the, because it is just impossible to go through all the 95 lines. Okay, but the key ones I will take upon. Now I'm thinking of talking to you about the dimensions of Lord Shiva. இறைவனது அளவு என்ன, அவனோட நீளம் என்ன, அவனது அகலம் என்ன, அவனது உயரம் என்ன, how tall, how broad, how deep is he, அப்படி என்று ரொம்ப அழகாக வர்ணிக்கிறார். நான் சொல்லலை, எல்லாம் சொல்லுவது அவர்தான். அவர் என்ன சொல்றாரு? Just a minute. Yeah. Now he takes on this way. மூணு இடத்துல ஒரு டைமென்ஷன் சொல்றார். என் இறந்து எல்லை இலாதானே. I'm sure you must be knowing. என் இறந்து என்றால் அவர் வந்து எல்லையை கவுண்ட் பண்ண பார்த்தாராம். He tried to measure. ஒரு அளவுக்கு மேல அவருக்கு நம்பரே கிடைக்கலையே அவன் சொல்றதுக்கு. என் இறந்து என்று சொல்லுகிறார். The number dies when I am trying to reach the boundary. எல்லை இல்லாதானே, அதாவது ஒரு கோடு போடப்பட்டாராம். இதுதான் சிவபெருமானோட எல்லை என்று he tried to draw a line. The beauty was he was not able to draw any line. ஏன்னா ஒரு கோடு போட்டா அதுக்குள்ளதான் சிவன் இருக்கிறான் என்றால் கோட்டுக்கு வெளியே யார்? Therefore he was not able to draw. So he says, right, or if you want to put it in English, when he says en irandu, he says, hey, you are infinite. Ellai iladane, hey, you are boundless. Or in maths we say you are unbounded, you have no boundary, you cannot be counted. Okay, so now coming to infinity, it's again pure mathematics. Our great mathematician M.S. Ramanujam, he says once, if I do not see God in every equation, it is not equation at all. It's a mere number. It is more dead than life. I must see God in every equation. It does not apply only to him. It applies to every one of us. Whatever subjects that we learn, we must be able to see him within the subject. Then only it is full. Like Thiruvalluvar ரொம்ப அழகா சொல்லுகிறார், கற்று அதனால் ஆன பயன் என், if you can't see him inside it. Therefore, friends, okay, let's see the infinity maths. Okay, I'll give you a very simple tool, because infinity is not that is not imaginable. The one simple shot you can reach infinity. என்ன என்று கேட்கிறீங்களா? ரொம்ப simple. I'm sorry, I'm going into maths. Okay, take number 1, divide by 0. You will straight reach infinity. 1 by 0 is infinity in maths. Sir, 0 by 1 is 0, but 1 by 0 is infinity. So simple, like that, infinity is God. What else do you want? Okay. Then somebody said, I want to feel infinity. Okay, you are saying in maths, but can I feel it? I will also give you an example how to feel infinity right in front of you. Okay, take 0, take 1, measure the distance. It is 1 centimeter, let's say, 0 to 1. Am I correct, sir? Now that 1 centimeter, can I divide it into 10 parts? I can. Can I divide it into 100 parts? Why not? 1 by 100. Can I divide that 1 into 1,000 parts? Of course. What about a million? Mathematically, I can break a centimeter into a billion. Can I expand it to a billion? Of course, why not? Can I expand it to 1 by a trillion? Yes. So if you can keep on increasing the bottom to a trillion and keep expanding, of course, the part becomes smaller and smaller. When you reach the number solar, the part may become 0 or it hits. So within 0 and 1, I can divide it into infinite parts. So infinity is right in front of you. Is that all? Forget about 0 to 1, sir. Between any two gaps, there is infinity. Between a proton and an electron, see the atom itself is so small. Between an electron and a proton, there's a gap. In that gap, I can see infinity. That's why they say, Anukkul Anuvai Irikkirai endru paadigirar. Okay, so this is the dimension of the Lord. He is there in the Anukkul Anuvai. At the same time, he is in infinity, which means everything is only him. Okay, sir. Right. Now, the next he talks about the dimensions. He says, Akam, Alavu, Irudi Illai. You have no beginning, you have no end, you have no measure. You are immeasurable. Therefore, Akam, Alavu, Irudi Illai. Aga ni anethulagam akuvai. Therefore, you produce the entire spectrum of the world. What a beautiful statement he makes. He says that is immeasurable is alone is capable of producing measurable objects. If I have time, if you'll give me time, I can show you screenshot where I can explain it in diagram. Can I take few more minutes?
Yes, sir, you have 10 more minutes. You have 10 more minutes.
Well, I have another 2-3 subjects. Okay, fine. Then I will skip this and I go forward. Okay. So he says that is immeasurable, is capable of producing measurable objects. Yeah. Why? Because you are immeasurable. Similarly, you are infinite. Therefore, all finite objects are within you. You are boundless. Therefore, all boundless are limited. All limits are within you. If I'm right, if you will see J. Krishnamurti or Osho, they all talk the same language. Okay, and which Manikvasar so beautifully gives us to us in Shiva Purana. Okay, sir. So this is the dimensional aspect of Lord Shiva. Next, sir, I will move on to the colors of the Lord. Okay. Now, I got caught. Okay. ஒரு நாள் அவர்கிட்ட பேசிட்டு இருந்தேன். அவரு சிவபுராணம் அப்படியே படிச்சுட்டே வந்திருந்தேன் சார். திடீர்னு ஒரு இடத்துல அவர் பாடுறாரு, பிறந்த பிறப்பிற்கும் எங்கள் பெருமான் நிறங்கள் ஓர் ஐந்துடையாய் அப்படின்னு பாடுறாரு. இது அப்படியே ஒரு நாள் யோசிச்சுட்டு வந்தேன். இது வந்து அப்படி நின்றுட்டேன். என்னடா அது நிறங்கள் ஓர் ஐந்துடையாய் என்று சொல்லுகிறாரு. அது என்ன அந்த 5 நிறங்கள்? சரி கொஞ்சம் let us do some research அப்படின்னு I go into the search. Then I realize in the yesteryear our people had defined 3 colors as the basic colors, which were red, green and blue. All other colors, they said, are a mixture or additions or subtraction of these 3 colors into different colors. What you see, this was the original thought, sir. But very recently, They said, no, the way we look at colors is wrong. The colors are basically 5. And all the 5 have a very similar characters. That is, they try to define a color from what is called the color temperature of the color. Okay, I'm going into physics, sir. Please bear with me. I'll explain in such a way that you will understand. Let us take, it's called a black body radiation. அதாவது ஒரு கருமையான பொருளை கருப்பு தான் நம்மளுக்கு பிடித்த கலர். ஓகே, டேக் a black body and start heating it up. அதாவது ஒரு இரும்பு எடுத்துக்கங்களேன், அதை வந்து ஃபவுண்டரியில போட்டு அதை வந்து காய்ச்சுங்க. என்ன ஆகும் அப்படின்னா, அப்படியே அதனுடைய டெம்பரேச்சர் மேல போக ஒரு 1000-1500 டிகிரி வரும் பொழுது அந்த கருப்பானது சிவப்பாக மாறும். ஸோ முதல் கருப்பு, இரண்டாவது சிவப்பு. இதெல்லாம் தான் பிரைமரி கலர்ஸ் என்று இன்றைய விஞ்ஞானம் கண்டுபிடித்தது. சரி, இன்னும் ஃபர்தரா யூ ஹீட் அப் த பாடி. ஒரு 2000-2500 டிகிரி கெல்வின், அதாவது அப்சல்யூட் டெம்பரேச்சர்ல தான் they measure, ஓகே, the color temperature. அந்த டெம்பரேச்சர் வரும் பொழுது கலர் வந்து எல்லோவா மாறுகிறது. ஸோ மூணாவது கலர். அப்புறம் இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் ஃபர்தரா you heat up to 4500 degrees, the yellow becomes white, fourth color. Okay, and further you heat up the body to 6000 degrees plus, the white becomes sky blue. So they said, hey, these are the 5 primary colors. All other colors can be a combination of any of these 5. What is astonishing for us is that how did our friend Manivarshagar ever thought of this, what we realize in science today, in 2000-3000 years back? It is a real wonder. So something tells me, sir, that if you have the main jnanam, if you have the Lord's blessings, science is automatic. From main jnanam you can define science, but from science you cannot. The converse is not true, because science is still limited. Okay, so hats off to you, sir. I'm skipping the 4th subject called illuminance of the Lord, because I don't think I have the time. But I would like to more stress upon a final aspect. What is the truth? எது உண்மை, எது பொய்? சார், இது வந்து வெரி டீப் சப்ஜெக்ட். சிவபுராணத்துல அவர் வந்து எல்லாம் சொல்லிட்டு போயிட்டார். மெய்யே உன் பொன்னடிகள்னா அவர் பாடுறார். கண்டு இன்று வீடுற்றேன். The next he says, how do you find me? பொய்யா என எல்லாம் போய் அகல வந்தருளி. அதாவது எதெல்லாம் பொய்யோ அதெல்லாம் விலகிச்சுனா me, the truth will come out. Then further he goes down to say, பொய் கெட்டு மெய்யானார். That is, when that false gets out, well, you have become the truth. It's quite. Then not only he stops, there is another chapter called Thirusadagam, where he again comes back and sings a song on what is me. ஒரு சிக்ஸர் போறார் அன்னைக்கு இந்த பாட்டுல. இந்த பாட்டு நான் சொல்றேன். முதல்ல எடுத்த இந்த பாட்டு ஆரம்பிக்குது இப்படிதான். யானே பொய், hey, all of us are false. என் நெஞ்சம் பொய், என் அன்பும் பொய். So then he says, what is me? You find out. J. Krishnamurti அதான் சொல்றாரு. You find out, pa, is me. Okay, I give you an yardstick to find out what is the truth and what is false. Okay, a fact is different, truth is different. Okay, now எது ஒன்று நன்றாக சிந்தியுங்கள். எது ஒன்று மூன்று காலத்திலும், that is the past, present and the future, மூன்று காலத்திலும் மாறாமல், மறையாமல், not subject to mutation இருக்கிறதோ, அழியாமல் இருக்கிறதோ, அதுதான் மெய். So now this is acid test. You take any object on the earth and put this acid test, you will know what is all false. You will keep on negating everything that you come across when you put this test, including space. Trust me, sir, all the Panchabhutangal you will find they are all false. In fact, sometimes I thought at least space was true. I realized no, even space is not true, because all the objects are within space and the objects are subject to change. So space also undergoes a change every day. So how can it be true? So that transcends both space and time, because all the 3 times I must pass, that alone is true. If you look at it, then you will realize what the truth is. To make your life easy, I'll take another 2 minutes. To make life easy, I try to quote Arunagirinathar. அவர் வந்து கிளியாய் மாறி கந்தர் அனுபூதி பாடுகிறார். அதுல 4வது பாட்டு which is relevant to us today. அந்த பாட்டு என்னன்னா, வானோ புனல் பார் கனல் மாருதமோ, ஞானோதயமோ நவில் நான் மறையோ, யானோ மனமோ என்னை ஆண்ட இடம் தானோ பொருளாவது சண்முகமே. அதாவது அவர் முருகப்பெருமானை கேட்கிறார். இஸ் ஹேவிங் எ டயலாக். முருகா சொல்லுப்பா, வானம் வானம் தான் உண்மையா? சச்ச நோ. புனலா, புனல் மீன்ஸ் வாட்டர், நோ. பாரோ உலகமோ இல்ல, கடலோ தீயோ இல்ல, மாறுதமோ தட் இஸ் வாட்டரோ நோ, நீரும் காற்றோ காற்றும் அல்ல, ஞானம் உதயமாகும் ஞானோதயமோ அதுவும் இல்லை, நாம் ஓதும் 4 மறைகளோ சேச்ச நோ வே. அப்புறம் இவருக்கு ஆசை வந்தது, கேட்கிறார், நானா? நோ வே சார். என்னோட மனமா? யுவர் தாட்ஸ் ஆர் லிமிட்டட், ஃபர்கெட் இட். இஸ் இட் மை ஈகோ? இட் சேஸ் தானோ. அப்புறம் நீ சொல்ற பொறுப்பா, நீ எல்லாத்தையும் இல்லைன்னு சொல்லிட்ட. சோ நவ் ஐ ரியலைஸ் எது பொருள். கடைசியில முடிக்கிறார், பொருளாவது சண்முகனே. Hey, you are the truth. Saying, God, முருகா நீ தான் உண்மை, இதுதான் மெய். இதையே மணிவாசகரும் கடைசியில் முடிக்கிறார். எப்படின்னா, அவர் கடைசி நாட்களில், சார் ஐம் சாரி இஃப் ஐம் ஓவர் ஷூட்டிங் த டைம். ஓகே, அவர் எல்லாம் வந்து திருவாசகத்தை பாடிட்டு கடைசியில தில்லையில வந்து செட்டிலிங் டவுன். ஓகே, தில்லையில சிதம்பரத்துல நிறைய பாட்டு பாடுறாரு. அப்போ ஒரு நாள் லார்ட் சிவா அந்தனராக வருகிறார். அவர் வீட்டுக்கு வந்து, சுவாமி நீங்க வந்து 600 பாட்டுக்கு மேல பாடிருக்கீங்க, அதுக்கு ஏதாவது ரெக்கார்டு இருக்கான்னு கேட்குற. இல்லப்பா. சரி, அது எழுதுனா என்ன? He says it's too much for me to write. He says, okay, I will write for you. அப்புறம் ஒரு ஓலை எடுக்கிறார். மாணிக்கவாசகர் சொல்ல இந்த 600 திருவாசகம் பாடலும் சிவபுராணத்துல எழுதிக்கிறார். எல்லாம் எழுதி முடிச்சுட்டு ஒரே நாள்ல, சரிப்பா நான் அடுத்த நாள் வரேன்னு சொல்லிட்டு he goes off. நெக்ஸ்ட் டே மார்னிங் சிதம்பரத்துல, அங்கதான் தீட்சிதர்லாம் அங்கெல்லாம் ஐயர் குருக்களா இருக்காங்க. ஓகே, தட்ஸ் another story. தீட்சிதர் வந்து கோயிலுக்கு போய் மெயின் சன்னிதானம் நடராஜ பெருமான் பொன்னம்பலத்துல அப்படியே சன்னிதானத்தை துறக்கிறாங்க. இவர் இந்த ஓலைகள் அத்தனையும் வந்து நடராஜ பெருமான் கால் அடியில் இருக்கு. அதனுடைய முதல் ஓலையில இட் இஸ் ரிட்டன் என்னன்னா, மாணிக்கவாசகர் சொல்ல அம்பலவாணன் எழுதியது அப்படின்னு கைது பண்ண. அதை பார்த்த உடனே தீட்செல்லாம் ஆடி போயிட்டாங்க. குடு குடு குடுன்னு அத்தனை பேரும் they go to மாணிக்கவாசகர் வீட்டுக்கு போய், சுவாமி இந்த மாதிரி இந்த ஓலை வந்து சிவபெருமான் காலடியில இருக்கு, நீங்க என்ன சொல்லுங்கன்னு. சார் மணி அழ ஆரம்பிச்சிடறார். ஏன்னா நேத்து வந்தது அவருக்கு தெரியல, அவர் வந்து சிவபெருமான். சரிப்பா, அழுதுட்டே வந்து he goes into the temple and he stands in front of the Lord and he sees all the ஓலைகள் புல் அரித்து விட்டது அவருக்கு. அப்ப சுத்தி இருக்க மக்கள் எல்லாம் அவரை கேட்கிறாங்க, சுவாமி இதற்கெல்லாம் என்ன பொருள்? He says, உங்களுக்கு பொருள் தெரியணுமா அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு நடராஜ பெருமானை பார்த்து இவன் தான் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நேரா சன்னதிக்குள்ள போறாரு. அப்படி மாதிரி. So he also says, what is the பொருள்? What is the main? The Lord is the truth. All the rest are under him. Okay. So with this, dear fellow Rotarians, I would like to thank all of you for giving me this great opportunity to share some of my thoughts. I hope I have not exceeded my boundaries and my limits. Thank you, Doctor and Dale, for the opportunity. Thank you, Dr. Ramesh
Thank you very much, sir.
for giving it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. அதாவது ஜீரோல இருந்து இன்ஃபினிட்டி வரைக்கும், ஸ்பேஸ்ல இருந்து ஆட்டம் வரைக்கும் எல்லாமே நீங்க பேசிட்டீங்க. It was such a wonderful time listening to you, and we would like to invite Ann Vijayalakshmi Ravishankar to honor you on behalf.
Wow, hey, that's too good. It's a surprise gift, is it? I knew I got the memento, but I didn't know I'm going to receive it from Vijaya. Okay, anyway, thanks a lot, my dear. It's okay, I will stand. Sir, can you see me? Yeah. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
சார் அப்புறம் போட்டோ எடுத்து அனுப்புங்க சார். அப்புறம் போட்டோ எடுத்து அனுப்புங்க
சார். நீ போட்டோ எடுத்துங்க சார். Okay, both of you, I have a photo. I'll send it. Yeah, thank you, my dear. Thanks a lot.
மொமெண்டோ கையில வச்சுக்க சார்.
Thank you so much, sir. I'll preserve this. Okay, this is being my maiden address, so I can't give it. I'll keep it with me. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
எங்களுக்காக நீங்க பண்ணீங்க. Thank you very much.
Thank you for the opportunity.
Welcome, madam. Welcome.
Beautiful.
Now you can proceed.
So, thank you so much, sir. And we're moving on to the next section of our meeting. Teachers hold a very special place in our life, and they play a major part in where and how we are today. So here we are here to appreciate and acknowledge their selfless service to the society. May I request President T. Srinivasa Rao to take over the stage and honor some of our teachers?
Thank you, Sweta. Good evening to one and all. Rotary Club of Chennai Gemini is happy to celebrate Teachers' Day. Actually, teacher is a guru, as known to everyone. So to start with Guru, I should say this: Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheswaraha, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. He is dispeller of darkness. அதாவது நமக்கு வந்து சப்ஜெக்ட் சொல்லி தரது வந்து குரு, டீச்சர். We are very happy to honor on this Teachers' Day. So also Chennai Gemini is very proud to present the awards to 3 distinguished personalities. May I request S. Devendran to introduce awardee Professor Dr. S. Veerakumar, please.
Good evening, President, PDG Ravishankar sir, fellow Rotarians and other invitees. I am at great comfort in introducing Professor S. Veerakumar. He is a MBBS, T. Ortho and MS Ortho. Currently, he is professor and HOD at Department of Orthopedics at Kilpauk Medical College, Chennai. Before that, he worked for Salem Medical College, and he is worked for Stanley Medical. Hello,
Facing it.
able to hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Yes. He is married. He worked for Stanley Medical College and Salem Medical College. Also, he is doing his private practical service, his own clinic at Anna Nagar. Before that, during his studies, he was the college union leader, and he was a road tractor. During the tractor, he done following community service work. Renovated KMC Park, provided general toilet, and conducted many medical care with 2 daughters and Kirti. Welcome, doctor. Thank you.
So thank you for the introduction, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
நீங்க யாராவது பக்கத்துல இருந்தா அந்த ஷால் போட சொல்லுங்க.
Sir. நீ போடு.
அப்படியே மொமெண்டோ வாங்கிக்கங்க எங்க சார்புல.
Yes, sir. My physiotherapist is putting the shawl, sir.
Thank you.
Dakshinamurthy.
Thank you, Dakshinamurthy.
Welcome, sir. Welcome. Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
You would accept this speech,
Thank
sir.
you.
Dr. Veerakumar, sir.
அதாவது Professor Veerakumar is going to be the advisor for our Rotaract Club of Kilpauk Medical College. Thank you, Professor Veerakumar.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Not only to the students but also to the community. Keep up the good work.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Of Chennai Gemini
Thank
is
you.
honored to present you with that small memento. Thank you.
Thank you much, sir.
You want to say a few words?
And I'm honored and humbled to. Sir, I'm honored and humbled to accept this award. Special thanks to you, sir, being my teacher, and you have nominated me for the students. Sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Now, may I request C.S. Govindaram to introduce one more awardee, Mrs. Jessie Sarathi.
Thank you, Srinivas. Good evening, President Ramesh Babu, other Rotarians and other invitees, speaker of the day. Good evening, everyone. I take pleasure in introducing Mrs. Jessie Sarathi, who is principal of Leo Medication School. She did her schooling at Kendriya Vidyalaya, Trichy, and she did her higher studies at Holy Cross College. So she took her B.Ed from Madurai Kamaraj University and MPhil from Periyar University. She started her career as a academician in 1994, and she became the principal in 2002. She won the Best Teacher Award in 2015 from Collector and SP of Dharmapuri. Her passionate and academician as long as possible. She is married to Mr. Sarathi, principal of Sri Ram Matriculation Higher Secondary School at Dharmapuri. She has 2 sons studying at Hotel Management and Catering Technology. With this, I introduce Mrs. Jessie Sarathi. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Govindaram. Now over to Mrs. Jessie Sarathi, ma'am.
Madam, நீங்க கூட award வாங்கணும் shawl. Unmute பண்ணிக்கோங்க madam.
Unmute பண்ணிக்கங்க.
My son will do it.
Yeah, super. Yes, madam.
சன் இப்படி வரலாம்.
Camera வாப்பா.
It's a great honor to me.
Memento வாங்கிக்கங்க மேடம்.
Very nice.
Yes, I got it.
Super.
Thank you very much. We also thank your son for gone there and collecting the memento and the shawl for us. Thank you, madam. Thank you very much.
Eligible for this award, sir. Thank you all so much.
Ma'am, your acceptance speech for a minute or two, madam.
எல்லாம் ஜெயராமன் சாருடைய
I
கைடன்ஸ்
feel
மேடம்.
very proud. Of course, sir. Aurelana, I wouldn't have reached this level because he's a very motivating person.
madam.
Encourage pannuvar. He encourages us to go further.
Yes, madam.
So I feel complete when I'm with him.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yes, ma'am, your acceptance speech.
Can be eligible for accepting getting this award, and let me also thank all the delegates who have suggested my name, and thank you all for all the good work that you are doing for the public. It's a real social cause, and in this pandemic period also, irrespective of your health, you have been doing great job to help the public. It really, you have to be appreciated a lot by the public for doing this work. Thank you all once again.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank you, madam.
Now, may I request to introduce one more awardee by Sujata Ramesh Babu. Awardee's name is Mrs. Anila. Mrs. Anila.
Thank you so much. Yeah, it's my pleasure to introduce my dear friend for a long time, Anila, Mrs. Anila Anand. Our friendship goes beyond 12 to 13 years, and she is at present the headmistress of KPCT Girls Higher Secondary School. She had done her MA, MPhil, MAd and MPhil, and she was the vice president of IWC Gemini. She's a great speaker, a wonderful motivator, an excellent MC, and she had won many awards and accolades. And most of all, she's a great friend. She's always there for friendship, for anybody, for any help you need. She's there for you, whether it's an MC job or any financial or physical help. All her students they really vouch for me. She's a wonderful person, the most deserving person for this Service Above Self award. Yes, congratulations, Anila, and we request your daughter to adorn you with the shawl and the award on our behalf.
Thank you so much, Sujata. Thank you.
Please honor the shawl, ma'am.
Sweta. Very nice. Super.
Memento, please.
Granddaughter is giving the memento. What more do we need?
Very nice.
Super. Yes.
Wow.
Yes. Congratulations.
We wish you many more.
Thank you so much, Sujata. Thank you so much.
Your acceptance speech, madam.
I really don't have any words to express myself. You've been such a wonderful inspiration to me, a motivation to me, and whatnot. You are a friend, philosopher, and guide. And this was a real surprise to me, handing over the shawl and award to me. So I'm really blessed. And I should thank our Doctor and President of Rotary Club of Chennai Gemini, Dr. Ramesh Babu, sir. Thank you so much. And you go hand in hand together. So I've come to know more about you from Sujata now. So we've been together for almost more than 8 years, and I've got a good bondage also. And I never expected this. This is a real surprise to me for a Teachers' Day. And thanks for making me be a part of your celebration. And thanks for honoring me as a teacher. So I'm really overwhelmed and really no words to express myself. So thank you. That is what I would say. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. So this is my pleasure. And even in an ordinary meeting, I think this feeling would not have been. As the previous ma'am, she told me, even in this pandemic situation, you just rock. Sujata always rocks. And again, there's the doctors are also to rock on behalf of us. So really, I should say thank you from the bottom of my heart. That is what I can say you right now. So I'm really overwhelmed, and all my friends are watching me over the show, right? Watching me, and even my schoolmates. I was really proud to tell them that I was getting this award in this pandemic situation. They were surprised, and I think they will also be watching the show. So you have spread this celebration to the entire community, teacher community, student community, and my friends also. Thank you. Thanks a lot to you. I really appreciate your way of handover also. So when I just entered and when my daughter told me that that's come, I was taken aback, really taken aback. Oh my God, that's really wonderful. Hats off to you, everybody, to the entire team of Rotary Club of Germany. It's not an easy job to make an award and to send it by courier at the right time, to the right place. That was really wonderful. So even in this situation, you did it. You made it happen. And this will be always memorable. And I will always be indebted to you. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Continue the good work. I think you continue the good work. We're
Thanks,
so proud
thanks,
of
madam. We thank Sweta and your granddaughter for shawl and the memento on our behalf. Thank you, madam.
Yes, sir. It was a real honor to me because I wouldn't get this chance if I come on a stage also. My daughter and my granddaughter will not be there. She is even more thrilled actually to give it to me. So thank you so much for making this happen.
Thanks, Anila ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.
So congrats to all the awardees. Congrats to all the awardees. Now handing over the proceedings to MC Sweta Santosh.
Thank you so much, Srinivasa Rao sir. And
as the chairman, superb, very nice.
Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Occasional Service Chairman.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Srinivasa Rao sir, and congratulations to all the awardees. Very happy that the writing candidates received the award. Moving on, may I now request Secretary Anindya Ghosh to make the announcements for the week?
Any other matters?
Always. Any
other matters? Anindya, 1 minute, unmute yourself. Anindya, unmute yourself.
Yes. Now, am I audible now?
Yeah.
Yes.
Before that, you can ask for any other matters.
Any other matters to be discussed?
Our senior members, past presidents, or Rotarians, any matters to be discussed?
Any matters to be discussed?